I'll tell about how to keep motivated life and how to maintain a positive attitude in your life. So let's get started. Staying inspired, motivated and positively charged is very important in our life. Whether you are a manager, a leader, an entry-level employee or even a student, it is as vital as the air we breathe. Keeping them at high levels is like fueling your gas tank in your car. If the tank is full, you will be able to drive your car anywhere. Same is the case with inspiration, motivation and positive thinking. If you have enough of them, you will be able to make your dreams come true. But now, what is crucial here is to understand what inspires you and what keeps you motivated. Because in my opinion, a positive attitude is nothing but a lifetime challenge with yourself to keep thinking, keep feeling, keep believing and keep reacting in a positive way. Generally, if we talk what a motive is, basically a motive is what prompts a person to act in a specified way or at least develop an inclination to act in a specified manner. When we say that we are not motivated to do something, we mean that we do not find any motivation to do that thing or we do not find any reason that would make us want to do that thing. So, motivation and positive thinking makes a difference in our life in facing fear, in keeping on doing what we are busy with and taking up new challenges. So now here, I will distinguish between two types of motivation. Number one, motivation in doing the things that we want to do. And there are a certain type of things in which we do not find or we do not feel or we do not want to get any motivation. We are willingly ready to do those things. For example, going for a walk, reading a novel, or any other thing that we do by our own choice. So in certain things, we do not find or we do not want any motivation to do that thing. Number second, motivation to do the things that we do not want to do, but we have to do it. There are certain things in our life in which we want to feel motivated in order to complete those things. For example, doing a project work at your job. You might not be very ready to do those things, but you have no other choice except completing your task. So, there are certain things where you want to feel motivated and there are certain things where you do not want to feel motivated. You yourself willingly do it. Now, what happens when we combine the strength of both motivation and positive thinking together? Trust me, it's my personal experience that I have used the strength of motivation and positive thinking in my life to reach different goals. When we clearly know that what we are doing and what is the reason behind doing those things, we get along to do those things in a more effective and efficient manner when we know the reason behind doing those things. Now here I will tell you 3 things how to combine motivation and positive thinking together. Number 1. Decide what you want. Always decide what you want in your life and what you want to achieve in your life. Trust me, in this world, people come and go without even knowing what they actually want in their life. They don't choose. When they know that they have the power to choose things in their life, they don't choose. They just react to a situation either by accepting it or rejecting it. They should use the power of choosing what they want in their life. So, always decide what you want in your life. Number 2, why do you want it? Always decide and make it understand in your mind that why do you want certain things in your life. Now, this is your motivation. Your reasons to have must be strong enough to lead you to the path towards your goal. Now, number 3, use motivation and positive thinking together. You could use the visualization techniques and positive affirmations to make you create a feeling what at a moment you could only imagine and what after achieving your goal you will have. Now, I will repeat the 3 steps to combine the strength of motivation and positive thinking. Number 1, decide what you want in your life. Number 2, why do you want it? And number 3, use motivation and positive thinking together. In today's world, when one is thronged with worries and tensions all around, we know that it is very difficult to maintain a positive attitude. And more often one tries to maintain a positive attitude, the more it seems that the negative energy around you gains strength. So now I will tell you the 6 quick ways to maintain a positive attitude and change your modus operandi, be positive in life and work towards a healthy lifestyle. 1. Don't wait for happiness. You should never wait for happiness. You should never wait for good things to happen to you. In fact, you need to create a happy environment around you today to remain happy tomorrow. Now this is called an attitude. Be happy and face life's difficulties as challenges. When we know that we can create happiness around us, we come to know that life can be a very rewarding game rather than a challenge to get through. Number 2, be resilient. Resilient people are those who face setbacks in their life but ultimately recover from them. You should always develop a habit of self-pep talk. What this thing will benefit you is that when you talk with yourself at least once in a day, you will remind yourself that how strong you are and how stronger and wiser you can get when you face life's difficulties as challenges. Number 3, self-pep talk. Your inner voice is your biggest critic or strength. Always listen to your inner voice and talk to it. Motivate yourself rather than getting motivated by others. Number 4, seize the moment. That means enjoy every moment. Do not worry about the future and also do not think about the past. Past is irreversible and future is yet to be known. So always live in the present. Like someone has rightly said, past is a history and future is a mystery. Today is a gift, that is why we call it the present. Next point is, laugh away. Laughter is the best medicine. Laughter is the best mood elevator. So make laughter a part of your everyday life. Whenever feeling low, go through some comic book, some joke book or some funny articles. Allow yourself to open up. You will realize that life is complex yet a funny game. The last and the 6th tip is be an optimist. Now this is the golden rule in maintaining a positive attitude. Always believe in yourself. Being optimist does not mean that only to see the brighter side of life. Being an optimist means that see the surroundings around you where you can maximize your achievements and your strengths and where you can minimize your weaknesses and your apprehensions. So at the end, I would just like to say that it is very difficult to change in one day, but at least we can try it. Just curb that fear in you and move towards a positive and healthier lifestyle. I hope you enjoyed my video and you have learned some good tips of how to be motivated and positive in your life. Thank you and have a good day.